All right, welcome back to the channel. We're in my 2014 Nissan Frontier. I'm having an issue with my backup sensors not working. So the light stays on the switch down here. And there's a couple ways we can go about fixing this. We can come in here, we can tap the button about a dozen times, it'll beep and flash lights and tell you which sensors are bad. Or we can do what I'm going to do, which is go out there with a screwdriver to the back. And I'll show you here. We're gonna key on, engine off. We're gonna put it in reverse, emergency brake on. And we're gonna go back here and listen for the sensors. You'll hear a clicking sound if they're working, or nothing if they're not working. So I can't even hear it. Okay, that one's working. I'm not hearing that one. Nothing. Nothing. I have sensors. I had one here, but I ordered 4 more, so I'll just go ahead and use these. Generic ones from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description for them. So you push these tabs back and you can push the sensor back. Just a squeeze tab. Try not to break it. Alright, that one's in. That one don't want to go. There we go. There we go. Okay. Yeah, that was pretty crusty. Usually happens after a winter. But I'll put these new ones in and see how this works. That one's in. Yeah. That one's in. Click, click, click. Alright. Alright, let's go test and see what we get. Alright. It is working. Just to give you the idea. Maybe. There it goes. So. Alright. That's how you change your backup sensors and diagnose them in a second-gen Nissan Frontier equipped with them. If you have any questions, Let me know in the comments. Other than that, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.